Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 21 SPX Sea Ray. We'll start in the front, looking forward. So you got a nice anchor lock right here. You've got your nav light, 2 cleats, stadium seating here, stereo speakers up here as well, storage underneath the seats. You have a walk-through right here, closable windshield. On the helm, you're going to have your built-in Simrad 9-inch display, easy to operate switches, tilt steering wheel, throttle bell point control. Off to the starboard side, you have charging ports down here. Moving a little bit aft, you see you have 2 captain's chairs here, rotate 360 degrees for accessibility. In-floor storage here. You have stadium seating moving aft, a nice tall bimini top with a tower. In the very back section, you have a really large sun pad that doubles up. Access to your engine, plenty of storage space back here. This boat's got a 4.5, 250 horse Mercruiser engine. On the back deck back here, lastly, you have a nice big swim platform. And that's going to be your 2023 21 SPX. If you want to come by and see us, stop by MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you.